Hello everyone, today we are present with 4 cavity automatic petable machine for you. This machine can make up to 6,000 bottles per hour, and it's 3 servo machine. 3 servo means the mold clamping is servo, the mold preform conveyor is servo, and the stretching is servo. You can contact us for further details. The price is very reasonable. We can discuss with the price. And you can make up to 2-liter bottles on this machine. It's very suitable for making the mineral water bottles. You can also make cosmetic bottles and many other bottles. So we can tailor machine as per your requirement. You can also contact us for cap molds, preform molds, and injection molding machines, and many other things. Welcome.